All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, today we're talking about, well, the different types of shop owners and shop managers. We're gonna make fun of them. So what was the voltage drop on the positive cable and the ground? Did you scope the control system? What did the waveform look like? Did you do a ignition waveform? Why not? I know it just needs an alternator, but why didn't you do an ignition waveform? I mean, come on, we're a professional shop. We got to scope everything. All right, so corporate has said we need to bill more hours. So I'm going to need everybody here to work longer hours. So we're now going to be doing open to close for everybody, including Saturdays and Sundays. My bonus depends on it. So I need you guys to step it up. I know you're working hard, but we need to work harder. I know you're working hard, but corporate's breathing down my throat. So I need more. I don't care if you're stressed out. We need more build. Charlie, the bathroom trips, the 20 minutes time in the bathroom, I pay you to be here. I don't pay you to poop. I pay you to work. If this doesn't stop, I'm going to take the door off the hinge and you're going to have to poop in front of everybody. So, like I said, we're going to step it up. I need everybody's full effort. We got to get the numbers up. I know you work hard. I know you give us 100% of your efforts. You're here on time, but it's just not in the budget. I just can't afford it right now. We'll reevaluate it, in a year or so. By the way, have you seen my new boat? All right, team, the times are tough. We're all feeling it. I know everybody's, feeling the crunch. It's tough out there, man. Jobs are hard to come by, money's tight. So we're going to have to just keep pounding these customers. We need to write up as much as we can. We got to get sales. Everything's looking bad, I know, but we got to hammer. We got to keep pushing. I need everybody on deck. I need everybody sell. Flush it. Come on, man. Anybody here that doesn't write up 3 flushes on every ticket is getting written up. So every car gets 3 flushes or you're going in my office and you're getting written up. You understand me? We need more sales. Oh, how's the new Porsche? Awesome, man. Love it. Fun to drive. Yeah, the salesman wanted me to get the one on the showroom, but I custom ordered the baddest one they had. It's awesome, man. Sell. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.